Okay, we're on to Connecticut. I'm going to do Connecticut next instead of New York because if I remember correctly, Connecticut it was one of the quickest ones you just click through. In New York, there's a couple different websites, so I gotta remember if it's the Oscar or the New York Hut website. So here we are. Connecticut is going to be, the website is drs.ct.gov/eservices. That's the one I had saved into my favorites. So this is what it looks like. myconneCT is up here in the top left. You put in your information after you've registered with them. You'll log in, get your little security code punched in they send you. Looks pretty similar to New Mexico's. Action Center. Let's see. Okay, so this was easy as they do a quick link on the Action Center to file a return, which if I go back to the summary, I'm sure that's the same as this right here. So let's just try the Action Center link. File return. It's due by February 2nd. Quarterly activity. If there is no mileage or weight to report for this quarter, please click the next button and complete a no activity return. So that's what we did. That's what I did last time. So I guess that's why my vehicle's not in here, because I haven't driven through Connecticut. But if you're ever going to drive through Connecticut, you need to have this on file and you just need to file it. So I guess if I would have filed mileage last time and had a weight in my vehicle in here last time, then it would show my vehicle and I would put in the miles. But so this is saying if no mileage or weight to report this quarter, click next to do a no activity return. That's what we're doing. I have no miles, 0 taxable miles. I'm not paying them anything. Click here to acknowledge that your filing return was 0 tax due. That's exactly what I want to do. Confirm signature. So I'm just going to type in my name here to sign it and submit. And there's my confirmation. It's as easy as that. That's Connecticut. It really doesn't take any time at all. Obviously, it'd be a little different if you had miles. You just put in, you'd make sure your VIN and vehicle and your weight and mileage was correct in there, and you'd do the same thing, and you'd have to pay. You'd go through their payment portal to pay those taxes. But again, that website is drs.ct.gov/eservices, and then some other stuff at the end. But okay, next up we'll go and do New York next. We'll knock that out because Oregon's the one that's got a .com at the end of the name, but it's like their official one is the .com, which is weird. So we'll do New York, figure that one out, and then we'll do Oregon last.